Click on the link below to get price. The SONY FE 24-70mm f/2. 8GM lens is a versatile and high-performance lens that impresses both amateur and professional photographers alike. This renewed version retains the exceptional build quality and optical performance of the original, making it a worthy addition to any photographer's kit, especially for those who own Sony's full-frame mirrorless cameras. From the moment you take this lens out of the box, you can appreciate its robust construction. The lens feels solid in hand, with a premium finish that reflects its G Master status. The weather-sealed design is an excellent feature, ensuring durability in challenging conditions. This makes it ideal for outdoor shooting, whether in rain or dusty environments. The optical performance of the 24-70mm f/2. 8 is nothing short of stellar. The lens is equipped with advanced glass elements, including XA, extreme aspherical, and ED, extra low dispersion, glass, which work together to minimize aberrations and maintain sharpness throughout the zoom range. Whether shooting landscapes at 24mm or portraits at 70mm, images are consistently sharp, with beautiful bokeh thanks to the 9-blade circular aperture. The fast f/2. 8 maximum aperture allows for excellent low-light performance and the ability to create a shallow depth of field, which is particularly desirable for portraiture. Autofocus is fast, silent, and precise due to the advanced linear motor system, making it suitable for both stills and video capture. The possibility of using the lens for various types of photography, from wide-angle shots to close-ups, adds to its versatility, making it a reliable workhorse in any situation. While the renewed option provides significant savings, it's essential to inspect the item for any signs of wear or damage. Overall, the SONY FE 24-70mm f/2. 8GM lens, renewed, is an exceptional investment that combines quality, versatility, and performance, proving to be an indispensable tool for any serious photographer.